How's it going, everybody? It's another magical day here at Disney's Polynesian and Villas Disney Resort. We are currently staying in room 2122 at the Pago room. This is a DVC Deluxe in standard view room, and we're going to go show it around. So let's go check it out. Tap that magic band. Here we go. As we enter, we have a light switch, and the adjoining room is next door right here. We turn around and we go into the first bathroom. Yes, we have two bathrooms here. There's me. As you can see, we have some art on the wall, and of course our favorite H2O products right here: body lotion and facial soap, towels, some storage space. You got your trash can there, a full tub, of course, with more of your H2O soaps right here, your body wash and your hair shampoo. Full tub with shower head, a little more art right there, and of course your toilet, but very large room, as you can see. As we head out the door, we see we have a closet here, and we have a safe and some more storage space for like your luggage, and ironing board, a laundry basket, and of course your extra pillows and blankets. From the closet, we move over to the left again. As you can see, we have a mini fridge, which has a lot of space. Up here we have a toaster coffee pot with your Joffrey's coffee there. There is some tea, soap, hand soap, wash the dishes. There is cups and utensils provided up in the overhead. We have a microwave, and there's nothing up there. And then down here is another waste baskets. And from the kitchenette, we move to the right into the second bathroom with a full stand-up shower with a rainfall head on there. And to the right, we have more. We got a hair dryer, we got more storage space, another waste basket, more towels, more me. Hi. A mirror, again, another bar of facial soap there, and then this stand-up shower. Look at this thing. Very nice, looks amazing. Water pours out through there. Nice little integration. And then there's a shelf and a seat and more H2O soaps. Heading out of that bathroom, and you can see we have the TV, a very large TV with, of course, everything going on with the 50th anniversary going on right now. Below that is a pull-out bed. You can see Stitch and Lilo right there sleeping. So if you got anybody with you, they can lay here. As we continue on the left-hand side, we have two chairs and a table with a really cool statue right there. And behind that, we have an outlet with one outlet and two USB charging. And behind all that is the bed. As you can see, the bed is up really high, so you can store more bags underneath. The bed is pretty firm. It's more on the firm side. Over here you can see we have the phone. We have a light here, and then we have an overhead light right there. So multiple lighting options. And those lighting options are available on both sides. As you can see, we have a couch and a table here with even more storage options there. And this is really cool. Besides the art, it is another bed. As you can see, we pull it all the way, all the way down. Well, I got to move the table out of the way, but I'm just going to show you that. And there you go. We have another bed, which extra pillows and blankets would be good and useful for. And then you can just, when you don't need that, just put it back up. And there you go. Your whole room has all its space again. And before I get to mention it, there's even more storage down here. We have a whole nother drawer on both sides of the main bed. And now you can see the whole living space right here. You can see the pull-out beds right there, and then the other one being right here. But let's head outside and see what kind of view we have. And here we go outside. Like I said, this is a standard view. So from the view here, you can see we have some trees and the rest of the resort. We are on the end of the resort over by the actual TTC Ticket and Transportation Center. And you can see we have a chair, a table, and an additional chair. Last couple of things I want to cover is the outlets are actually down here underneath the cabinet by the bed. So it's got 2 standard plug-ins plus 2 USB outlets, and the same thing on the other side of the bed, and then like I said, over there by the lamp. I hope that was very informative for you and you guys saw everything you wanted. If you didn't and I missed something, please leave a comment down below. I'll try to answer it the best I can. But if you guys enjoyed today's video and it was informative for you, please give it a big old like button there, and then of course subscribe to the channel. I love the support. It's free to do, and we are continually doing more room tours as we've been staying at Disney resorts and other places. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.